Hello everyone, welcome to this last video. One idea that can change the world in the series of 10 days to crack cat. My name is Anupam. Please download and install Unacademy app. Subscription offers you amazing benefits such as live plus classes, doubt solving sessions, hundreds and hundreds of tests, topic quizzes, sectional test, mock test, full length test, old question papers. So the pricing comes down to 18,900 for 24 months if you use the code Saxena Live as the discount code, and there is per month there is EMI options also available for anything equal to or more than 6 months subscription. And I think this is an amazing investment. Will help you not only in CAT but after CAT, will also help you in GDPI and the kind of quality and content which we are providing for the kind of pricing which we are charging. I think this is the best deal which you can get. Of course, we have an objective of spreading quality education irrespective of the irrespective of the fact whether a person pays or doesn't pay. So we have special free classes and quizzes and YouTube classes, and the quality remains the same always. The quality remains the same whether it's plus or it's free. Just that the content changes here and there. The most important thing right now for you people tomorrow is that skills are most important. The skills which you've gained, they will be tested tomorrow, and your respect for yourself, your ability to understand that you have done whatever you could have done is extremely important. So saying that okay, you will use these skills later on, you'll be successful, this is all like sounds very sort of giving you an excuse, giving you some sort of excuse which you can give yourself after CAT. But the most important thing is that the skills which you've gained in last couple of weeks, they are your wealth. That is what you've achieved, and these skills will be tested tomorrow. And almost everybody is going through same mental and emotional process, thoughts right now. Try and sleep well, eat well, and try and reach center tomorrow morning. All the very best. Thank you for taking up this challenge, and thank you for trusting us. Like I've said, tell to yourself you are awesome. Okay. So Unacademy subscription, we've discussed, it gives live classes, you get to interact with the educator. The UI is amazing. The plus classes are live, and once they are done, they'll be recorded. The interaction, you can ask questions as if you were in a live class, an actual classroom class, in a classroom session, and every fourth class is a doubt solving session in a plus course. Apart from that, there are these special classes which have always been free, and they'll always be free. Use the code Saxena Live to get 10% discount. Very much.